Alright, welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you, I've got a 2009 Honda CBR600RR for sale, currently at Robison Outdoor Power. We've got this new bike in on consignment in this nice kind of like a lime green and black trim. So far I haven't had any mechanical issues, still in good physical condition. Got 24,000 miles. And relatively brand new Bridgestone tires, front and back. Have a Jardine exhaust, and everything looks pretty good on it. So just gonna show it off for the day. Gonna give you a little test ride to see what she's like. And like I said, if you have any questions, call us here at Robison Outdoor Power at 936-305-5166. Or you can contact me through Facebook or YouTube. Like I said, no mechanical issues at all. Runs pretty good, sounds good. And we're just gonna go for a nice little test drive, go down the little twisty road for a second and see how she does. And I personally owned a 2004 Honda CBR600 that was fantastic, and I kind of regret selling it. So I'm actually kind of looking forward to riding a 2009. And one thing you do see here, it does have a factory steering stabilizer on it. Yeah, looks like people are going to let me over. Like all bikes, you have a 6-speed manual transmission. And honestly, this thing feels pretty good. Feels very stable on the road. Has plenty of acceleration and power to get up and go in 6th gear. I mean, really doesn't hesitate at all. And this exhaust is actually pretty nice in the fact that it's not super loud, but then, you know, you do have the nice exhaust sound. Let's see what she sounds like in RPMs. She sounds pretty good. They said it runs really smooth, like no vibration at all. Like I said, it has, as you can see, 24,000 miles, but it doesn't really feel like it. Feels nice and short, small, peppy, and I mean, it feels like the handling is amazing. And strangely enough, I feel like I'm being rained on. Can actually see out of my little side mirrors pretty well. which wasn't something I had on my 2004 CBR. Shifter feels good, still nice and tight, you know, it doesn't feel like it's missing gears. Engine's idling just fine. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna cut that out. So one thing I'm not used to apparently is a bike that has very little bottom end torque. Alright, so we're going to hit our nice little twisty test road. You can definitely feel right about 8,000 RPM the secondary fuel injectors kick in, so that means all the electronics and fuel injection are working perfectly, right as they should. Okay, turn around, head back. So we're going to feel that again. You can see how the power hits. There it is. And then of course, excellent brakes. Because she doesn't weigh a whole lot. Very nice shifting all the way up through the gears. And I'm following a truck right now and actually have pretty good wind stability. I don't feel like the bike's being shaken all over the place like some other bikes I've ridden in the past, so that's always a plus. Alright, and hopefully you stayed to the end of the video. So currently we have the bike for sale for $49.99, which is pretty much what its Blue Book value is. You know, price is a little bit negotiable. Of course, like you said, you come see us here at Robison Outdoor Power. We do offer financing. We even accept some trades, depending. And like I said, just come see us if you're interested in this. Very nice little Honda CBR600. Runs great, no mechanical issues. or electronic issues. Like I said, brakes perform great, engine's performing great, handling's good, decent exhaust tone, and just overall really good bike. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks.